Hi, my name is Jerrica Knicole, and I am a singer, songwriter, and performer. I'm also a podcaster, producer, editor, medical assistant. I wear a lot of hats. What can I say? And this is my life. You ready? Let's go. Good morning, beautiful people. Oh my God, let me turn on the light in here. Baby. It is now 6:30. I have been up since 4 o'clock. So I got up, I showered, and did some self-care. You see, I got my mask on, scrub my body, my feet. So yeah, self-care is the best care. I think I want to write some music today. So we're gonna write a song. It's about to storm. Great day to write music. Yeah. Uh-huh. I feel like that would change like the song. Oh wait, I like that. Okay, so what if I add this one and then the third one? How do they sound together? Let's see. Wait, let's see what it sounds like. Oh, into it. Oh, I need a guitar to go with it. Yeah, that works. Ah! That's gonna be a short bridge. Oh, I might have to hit that bridge twice. Okay, so let's just copy both of those. I might actually move this bass up because I don't think it's loud enough. Into the should I go straight to the bridge, like make this like a short song, or should I just do like chorus, verse, bridge, end chorus? I don't know if I want to do a second verse though. Like, I think I just kind of want to go into a bridge. Let's see if we can. Let's switch up this bass. So there was a bass sample that I liked. Okay, so the bridge. Yeah, I think song structure is going to be chorus, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, end of song. So like right now I'm just trying to fix this song structure. So doing variations with the drums and stuff. What is this? Funky pop drums. So let's see. That's 3. That's good. Let's see how that sound on the bridge. See if I like it. So let's look for, actually, let's fix this bridge. Yeah. Let's get us a finger snap. Nope. Baby, no. No. This the snap that I want, right? So, should I start it on the second half or should it go through the whole bridge? I feel like I need some kind of horn, but you know what? I really like the simplicity of the beat, so I don't know. I might not do that. Let's save this before something happens. We don't want that. So now we have to get to writing the words. I've already written the chorus because it's kind of been looping in my head for a bit. But for the most part, the song has been built as far as instrumental. We got chorus, verse, chorus, bridge, chorus. I'm trying to decide if I want to loop the chorus again, because I might, instead of going he started I don't know. We'll see how it turns out. I'm not sure if I want to do that. Did I? It's freaking raining. I'm kind of mad. But anyway, the song shall get bro. Okay. Wait, let's go back. Verse writing. Well, he's sweet like honey, sugar candy rush. And if I had money, I would buy all of his love. So sometimes the way you take it, then give it up. And I am hooked on it, and I just can't get enough. Alright, hold on, boy. So I can take this part off. Candy Rush. And if I had money, I would buy all of his love. Ooh, yeah, so sometimes the way you take it and give it up. And he got me hooked on it, and I just can't get enough. I don't know what to do. That sound like it should be the rest of the verse. Hold on, that's the right. Oh, I don't even take my danger. Dress this spice and oak. Got me buzzed on lines. I already know. Ooh. Got me buzzed on his lines. I already know. Let me add it to this. Yes, I'm doing this old school. We are writing. Got me buzzed on lies. I already know. and got me hooked on it, and I just can't get enough. Something like that. Something like that. Yeah. It starts off smooth with a slow burn down my throat. I feel you, but it's fuel to my soul. I don't know what to do. Brown liquor and blue. Yeah. Brown liquor and blue. What if I go on double? I might double the first. No. Da 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 da. Turn it down. That, ladies and gentlemen, is pretty much the finished song. I'll go back and do a little bit more mixing, add some backgrounds, but other than that, the song is done. Thank you for tuning in and watching me write. Thank you for tuning in and writing a song with me. From production to writing the words, you know, that is writing a song. This song is called Brown Liquor and Blues. It's very bluesy, and it's probably going to be on my upcoming EP called The Juke Joint. So